In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use laptop for beginners. Intro. First things first, go ahead and turn the laptop on by pressing the power button. This is usually near the top of the keyboard or built into one of the keys. If it does not turn in, just plug a charger in and try again. But to move around the screen, you're going to want to use your trackpad. If you move your finger across, it'll go ahead and move that cursor. You can tap or press on the left side to open up extra options, just like so. And to type, you want to use the keyboard like normal. So press any letter, any number or symbol and just enter it on the screen. To find your documents, you need to go into File Explorer. So open up File Explorer, it'll look something like this for you. And this is where you can see all of your stuff, whether it's desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, and so on and so forth. To connect to Wi-Fi, just go ahead and hit the Wi-Fi little icon down here. Mine's connected with Ethernet right now, but just simply hit this arrow and connect to Wi-Fi just like that. You're going to have to enter in your password. And then to use the internet, simply open up a web browser of your choice. For the most part, this is going to be Edge when you first install it, but you can get something like Google Chrome later on as well, where you can go ahead and browse the internet, go to YouTube maybe, watch some more of my tutorials. It's completely up to you. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.